Hello everyone, here we are going to show you from the number 9 and 2 to we can just convert it into a cute little animal. For this one you just make use of the marker and draw the eyes in the teeth area. The tail is to be shown bent and don't forget to make the spikes of this little dragon and fill it with some of the bright colors. I am just making the patterns using the black color. You can make use of any other color, the choice is all yours. Let's move further and try to make this bear. For this you just have to make a circle and then you just have to make two curvy bodies, actually 4 in number. These will represent the limbs of this bear. After that the ears are made, then another line is made and in between are the two tiny circles that will represent the eyes of this bear. Now you can make use of some colors to fill it with. Here I am using the brown one. Let's try to make a cat face. First a circle, after that the two triangles, and then in the circle you have to draw the eyes and the nose area. This is somewhat difficult. You can just pause the video and then follow the each step in a sequential manner. Best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 12. Let's try to make a kitty cat. For this you have to make the half circle. You don't have to just cover it whole, and from the right corner you just have to draw this bow and the ears are made triangular in shape. Then the rest of the body is also made. Once you're done with drawing, now it's time to fill it with some colors. Make use of the colors wisely so that your drawing looks more attractive. Again, we are going to show you how we can make a dragon. First, just you have to write the number 3. After that, you just have to extend it from the upper side and from the lower side as well. Don't forget to draw these spikes as I have shown here how. Fill it with some colors. Next, try to make a rabbit. For this one, we have already made a circular shape and the ears are made and the carrot is having in the hands of this bunny. And now fill it with some bright colors. This is very easy, best suitable for small kids. Let's try to make a sleeping bunny. For this you have to make a sleeping line, after that a circle, over it you have to make the 3 type of the number and then the ears are made and the eyes are made. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Fill it with the pink color over the ears and the cheeks area. Let's try to make a shark. For this you just have to make this line that's similar to the A. After that join it together and don't forget to make the fin, and the teeth are very important. Let's try to make this another bunny. For this one, make a sleeping line and make a curvy area over it. Try to draw the long ears of this bunny and then the eyes are made and the rest of the features are added. Fill it with the pink color over the ears and the eyes area. Let's try to make a giraffe. For this, make use of the highlighter. First, you just have to write the small edge and after that fill it with the same highlighter that you have used for the body. I have used the yellow one, and add the more features and it looks so cute and easy. You can just highlight the spots using dark color. Let's try to make an elephant. For this you just have to make a curvier body. After that you just have to join all these curves together. This is the easiest of all. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Let's try to make a mouse. For this you just have to make a curve and then the 2 ears from both sides, and after that somewhat a triangular shape, and in between the eyes are filled and then the mustache. Thank you for watching our videos.